Georgia Power outage map. Looks like Superden's back online. All except for that loser. Well, that's me. Maybe it's just their little way of telling me I'm special. What's that on my door? Gotta get a pipe, weatherhead, service insurance, socket, inspection. Well, alrighty then. Gonna have to cut this tree to access the power line so they can run power to me. Might take a minute, that's a pretty big tree. Luckily, I got a saw. This might take a minute. Okay, done. Now next, gotta put pole. Alright. Gotta get this mounted back on the wall. Perfect. Now we just need Georgia Power to come and hook us back up to the pole. It's me. Thank you, Mr. Electricity Man. Soon, maybe. We'll see. Like a snake the other day. When I'm up on the roof, I keep a line around my neck in case I fall off for safety. They said we got power.